Alright, just finished putting the new brake pads on the rear of the Miata. And one thing I want to point out is this little clip. The new kit will have it. I ordered the kit for the pins as well, right here. I didn't put the bottom one on this one because this one is good and it's a pain in the butt to take out. So I just left it alone. But if you don't know where that clip goes, it goes right on the top right there. Make sure both sides are in. Uh, because that's most likely the reason I had to come in and adjust this every now and then, because the pads weren't really going out on their own. It didn't have this clip before, so now that I got the new set, it did. And I was trying to figure out where they went, so I went online, finally saw a picture on there, so that's where you want to put it. I guess it could go on the bottom, maybe, I don't know, but that's where I saw the picture. So we're gonna leave it at that, and hopefully that'll make sure it stays away from the rotor when not applied. So just a quick tip on that for the Miata, because I haven't seen that in a lot of the cars. Seems like people just drop them, forget them, or they fall out or take them out. Who knows? Mine did not have them, so that's why I didn't even know where this thing's ran until I got this kit, which is a Sure Stop. And I think I got this at Parts, something, I forget. I'll put the link below when I finish, but there you go. I hope that helps. All right, another tip after installing the spring on the top, you're going to be wondering where this green one goes from the kit. Come on, focus. As you can see, there's a black one there, but this is the new one. This just goes right over the bottom one here. This is just a nice cover right there, so that it seals your lower screw after you tighten it. So that's done. That's done. Now I just got to adjust the back screw to make sure this is not too tight. But that's it. So those are the two items I was missing. Oh, this one was missing on both sides, and this one was missing on one side. So now I have both again, and it's